cost center accounting. Today we have to see another process in CO called internal order.
Okay.
Let me tell you the background of internal order, why it is necessary. Okay, normally internal order is they are not joining. I don't know whether they are interested or not. Okay, let us continue. I can't wait for everybody to. Okay, basically internal order in CO means how to control the certain types of overhead expenditure or indirect expenditure. Let me give an example. Let us say our company is having pick-up and drop facility for employees.
Okay.
Many companies provide transport facilities, is it not? Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that means what? To maintain pick-up and drop, your company is spending more money on vehicle maintenance, vehicle operations, driver चाहिए, गाड़ी चाहिए, petrol चाहिए, repairs. All these things are overheads, indirect expenditure. Okay.
Okay.
Now the question comes here. Maintaining the vehicle and controlling the vehicle cost, operating cost, is not one GL account and it is not one cost center. समझे ना? There is no cost center called vehicle.
Okay.
Cost center क्या क्या है हमारे पास? Production cost centers है या accounts है, admin है, right? Vehicle cannot be a cost center.
Yes, sir.
Vehicle cannot be a cost element because you have to have a petrol expenditure, we have driver salaries there, we have repair charges are there.
Service
So when
charges
cost cannot be controlled either as a cost element or as a cost center, it is called a task. A task is to be controlled by internal order. Understand
Okay.
now?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because vehicle operating cost of a vehicle is not a GL account. There is no GL account called operating cost. है ना?
Yes, sir.
And it cannot be a cost center because there are maybe many vehicles, right? So to do that, SAP has given another option called internal order. So let's go to SAP and show you very interesting area.
Okay, okay.
So let's go to SAP. स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
No, sir.
क्या होता है व्हीकल कभी कभी स्टॉप होता है कभी क्या आता है आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दैट प्रॉब्लम
हाँ अभी दिख रहा है
अभी दिख रहा है अभी दिख रहा है
जी सर
ओके फर्स्ट थिंग इज आपको एक स्मॉल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है एसपीआरओ में करना है उसके बाद हम एसएपी में आते हैं मतलब ओके गो टू एसपीआरओ अनदर सेशन वेरी सिंपल बट वेरी इफेक्टिव सो आज का हेडिंग है इंटरनल ऑर्डर कस्टमाइजेशन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन
ओके
in controlling, of course. Come to SPRO, IMG, controlling. देखिए, we have seen cost element, cost center, अभी internal order में जा रहे हैं. Internal order. Now, select order master data. Order master data. And define order type. Again, it's a standard SAP, but we'll have to do that. Okay. First, make new entry. New entry. order category is to be selected from SAP. See, these are all the various types of internal order for different purpose. So for overhead control, the 01 category is there. Internal order for overhead. Vehicle maintenance is a overhead indirect expenditure. So select 01 and continue. So it opens another screen wherein you have to give your order type. Preferably, let us say you give your SAI company code. Okay.
Yes.
Don't confuse this. Nothing to do with company code, but only to easy to remember. Okay.
Okay.
So this is, let us say, vehicle order or whatever you call. Operating cost of, let us say, vehicle. Okay. In your company code side. Now you can do the planning, you can do the budgeting, all thing is there. Let us do the planning. You have to do the planning. Always controlling starts with planning. Okay. So first select
Yes, sir.
the planning profile, standard profile, budget or plan. Then the object class, you have three options, whether it is a overhead or investment or production, it is a overhead. Indirect costs are called overheads. Okay.
Yes.
So give these two. Now come to status profile. Status profile means order profile. So it's an internal order. Okay, repair internal order. And make this release immediately. So as soon as you create an order under this, it will be released for activities. So it's release immediately and save this type. Just only these four. Remember, I have given a name, planning profile, overhead cost, status profile, and release. Save. You will get a message, number range not processed. Continue. So request in your company code SAI. Then once again save, go back. Now select SAI, whatever you have created, go to the details.
Yes, sir.
अभी देखिए नंबर रेंज इसको यही क्रिएट करना पड़ता, नंबर रेंज हैज टू बी क्रिएटेड हियर ओनली. Okay, see, click on this number range pencil here, this button. Okay.
Okay.
So the one which you created is appearing here. Can you see here?
Yes.
Sai is appearing here, but no number range have been assigned here. How to assign? Select like this and select one of these. नीचे जो है ना orders, order number यहाँ से process order, SAP. So this is vehicle के लिए motor pool order है, vehicle के लिए. Okay. So that means what? I am bringing internal order what I have created here to this group. You can add any group, but this group is preferable. Okay. So select this group and assign element group. First you have to select the element and then SAI, assign element group. यहाँ आतेगा, देखिए यहाँ पर you can see here motor pool. आप किसी को भी डाल सकते हो, but this is better and it will take number range from this. Already it is there. Save. So you have created an order and it is disappeared from here. It is not there. It goes and sits here. अब देखो motor pool में आपको sign दिखेगा. See here. Can you see here under motor pool sign has come now.
Yes.
So it will
Yes.
take number range from this now. So one activity is over. Then come back. Create one or two GL accounts. SPRO is over. Come to easy access. Create GL account first. GL accounts have to be created. FS00 only. Okay. So हमने क्या करेंगे? Indirect expenditure में 2, 3. Suppose I will create petrol charges. Okay, let's see now. So 60 is my petrol charges or fuel charges. Okay.
Okay.
And change it to cost elements, cost accounts, because CO में लाना चाहिए. So save this. Convert this into cost element because
First element.
अभी ये सिर्फ GL अकाउंट है. आपको CO में लाने के लिए इसको क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. ओहो, cost account is not active. Let me see here. That means internal order हमको activate करना पड़ेगा पहले.
Okay.
So let me go to again SPRO. I have to activate internal order in
SPRO.
first screen. Controlling, general controlling, organization. जब हमने controlling order maintain किया है, we have not activated internal order there. So go to SAI. Okay. See activate. Activate. Now you see order management active है, correct है. Internal order active है. Active है. Component active. Everything is active. Why it is showing no active? Why it is not showing it's active? देखते हैं क्या क्यों नहीं होता है. Okay, let's see now. इधर है activate order management in controlling area. एक्टिव है लेकिन क्यों नहीं आता है. Let's see now. Now I'm coming to the same screen and see why it is not accepting. Oh, it is free. अरे हमने यहाँ क्रिएट कर दिया यार, गलत कर दिया. समझे ना, कंपनी कोड श्री है.
Okay.
तो आई टू चेंज द कंपनी कोड. वही दिख रहे हैं कैसे होता है. So I'm going to change the company code. It can't show wrong because I was wrong. अब देखिए साई में आ गया. Okay. Now let us see now. इतना ये हो गया. So I am going to say now पेट्रोल कहाँ पर जगह है देखते हैं. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 now 80. So 90 में डालते हैं. Okay. Or you can have it 90 में डालते हैं. So I am going to create now. Okay. Copy. साई में say 90. Okay. So this will be my fuel expenditure. Okay, it is a cost accounts. Then edit cost element. इसको cost element करना पड़ेगा. Primary cost. Save. Similarly, create copying this. एक fuel हो गया. एक driver salary डालेंगे हमने. Driver salary is different from regular salary for employees. Because driver may not be employee. तीसरा एक डालेंगे repair vehicle repair charges. So these are all the expenditures connected with vehicle. Okay. So we have three expenditure relating to vehicle. 90, 91, 92. Assuming.
90.
Abhi now I want to control now. So how do I want to control? Now come back to easy access. First you have to create an internal order. First let us create an internal order. This is the program. Okay, let's create internal order first. Then
K001.
K001 is for creating the internal order. Order type we have created SAI, remember.
Yes, sir.
SAI. Okay. Under SAI order type, I am going to create
Master data.
master data. Up order number, it can be vehicle number itself. Okay. Vehicle this okay. Let's say I want to create one vehicle number KMG. Vehicle number itself can be order. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Assuming that, right?
Yes, sir.
Easy to remember now. KAMG 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no other things. If you want to give business area, you can give it, but not necessary. Leave it. Business area not necessary. And control data. Business area it is asking. Okay, let's give it now. Okay, we have created internal order. Okay. See when I think this is what we created. Okay.
Okay, sir.
SA1, SA2. Okay, internal order, enter. Now it is released, save this. No profit center, we are not going to profit center. Okay, so one order we have created. Similarly, you can create another internal order because there may be many vehicle wise you can control. Okay, let us create. Okay, let us first complete for one, then we can have any number so that you will not miss it. Okay, now I have vehicle order now. One order is there. First thing आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको प्लान करना पड़ेगा. Always CO start with planning, right? And cost and activity input. CO internal order planning is KPF6. Now you see it has taken now. Planning version is 0 for the period. Let us say current month I want to plan it. What is current month now? December. December is 9th month, remember. You can plan monthly.
Okay.
देखिए vehicle order आ गया, number आ गया. Okay. Now cost element you can give it now. Okay, 90 to 91. Whatever cost element you can plan it, you can do 90, 91, 92. So execute. It's very simple but very easy. देखिए वो 3 आ रहा है, दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and now you see fuel expenditure for this vehicle. Let us say I plan 20,000 petrol. Okay, driver salary say 15,000, and repair I keep it, let's say 5,000. Right? This is my plan for the vehicle. So this vehicle ye हमने for the month I have reserved 40,000 rupees plan. Remember now, 20, 15, and 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us create actuals now. See how to create actual now. For that, what you have to do, go to field status first. You have to activate internal order first. You know, field status group separate होना चाहिए आपको. IMG में जाइए, field status group separate रखना चाहिए. These are all the final points. So go to financial accounting. Financial accounting, new, ledger, fields. For internal order, you should have separate field status group. Okay, select field status variant. We have created psi only.
Yes, sir.
Now select psi. Go to the details. Now you see, select first cost account, because first it has to go to cost ledger. From cost ledger it has to go to internal order. Select that, first copy, and you see there is a group vacant is there too. I'll show you now where it is not there. So this is internal order. CO, in CO it is internal order. That means this field status you are using for internal order accounting. First let it save it.
स्लो हो गया ना सर.
हो रहा है. इंटरनल ऑर्डर में क्या होता है, जितना आपके पास व्हीकल है उतना आप इंटरनल ऑर्डर क्रिएट कर सकते हो. इफ यू हैव गॉट 10 vehicles, vehicle wise you can control the cost, not GL alone. You see now. Okay, it is copied now, I'm saving now. Okay. You select that, what you created now, and then go to the details and make internal order as mandatory here. Text optional, there is one internal order will be there. See here, don't make cost center mandatory, internal order mandatory here. If you make internal cost center mandatory, you'll have to give every time cost center because vehicle is not attached to a cost center. Remember, समझे ना?
इसे फिर से एक बार
So
बताएं.
make in COPP order means internal order as mandatory.
Okay.
Save. That's why you are creating a separate group now. Okay.
Okay.
अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा, वो GL अकाउंट जो क्रिएट किए हो, वो GL अकाउंट जो आपने अभी क्रिएट किया है उसको फील्ड स्टेटस वहां भी चेंज करना पड़ता है. Because if you keep cost accounts, आपको कॉस्ट सेंटर देना जरूर मैंडेटरी हो जाता है. सो आई एम नाउ चेंजिंग दैट दीज 3 फील्ड स्टेटस. देखिए इसको हम 2 करते हैं. अभी क्या है, ओनली इंटरनल ऑर्डर इज मैंडेटरी फॉर मी फॉर दीज 3. Okay, now go back. We have already done the planning. Abhi we'll post the actuals. Actuals will be posted in FI only. Always remember, CO में डायरेक्ट एंट्री नहीं होता है. CO में एक्चुअल FI में ही होता है.
Okay, sir.
From general ledger it goes to CO ledger. Okay, so change the company code. Company code is SAI. Let us say I want to see the report. I want to make posting today. Okay, enter. Then select those 3 accounts one by one. Petrol charges, driver charges. प्लान जिसी में भी कर सकते हो. पेट्रोल डेबिट, ये एक्चुअल्स है, राइट. लेट्स से ड्राइवर हैज गिवन 25,000. ओके, ये टेक्स्ट है. नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग कॉस्ट सेंटर आप इंटरनल ऑर्डर दीजिए. इवन इफ यू डोंट गिव इट विल आस्क यू. सी आई विल शो यू नाउ. इट विल आस्क यू कॉस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. ये कॉस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? दैट इज नथिंग बट इंटरनल ऑर्डर. The internal order has come. Okay.
Okay.
That means I am capturing the cost of petrol charges against this internal order. Now select next one. Debit. Okay. Let us say 14,000. I'm just giving an example. Same. Next one. Another debit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This will be, let's say 7,000. These are the bills supported by bills. अब देखिए, so totally 46,000, 46,000 I am putting now. Okay. अभी हम इसको क्रेडिट करते हैं, इधर पेमेंट और एक्सपेंस पेएबल अकाउंट प्रोविजन. Shift and star. Okay, shift and plus to copy the amount. So total 46,000 is going to be debited now against this internal order now. And now simulate and post it. Okay, it has posted now. आप अभी देख सकते हो डिस्प्ले. दिस इज FI. आप CO देखने चाहो तो जाइए एनवायरनमेंट अकाउंटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट. देखिए इट इज ए CO डॉक्यूमेंट. ये CO डॉक्यूमेंट है. See what we posted now is coming here. Okay, against this object. This is the internal order number now. Now, since we have actual as well as plan, let us run the report and see where we stand. So simple. अभी internal order report में जाते हैं हमने. Come to internal order. Reports, information system, reports, plan. Yeah, plan versus actual comparison. Very, very simple. Provided उसका आप लॉजिक अगर समझ जाते हो तो अच्छा है. आपको हमने CO मटेरियल भेजा?
No, sir.
Oh, sorry, I forgot it. I will send it today. हाँ.
Sir, send that resume also, no?
हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. दे देते हैं. I will send it today by afternoon.
Yeah, it's okay, sir. No. Sir, account payable is nothing but purchase order only, right?
हाँ.
Account payable is nothing but purchase order, right?
Account table is nothing but purchase order.
Yeah, both are similar, na? Account payable and purchase order same, right?
नहीं. 1 second. Let me complete this. I'll answer you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because ये time लेता है. I'll explain to you. अब देखिए हमने I want to run. Okay, for SAI against this internal order, I want to see actuals and plan and variance report. Okay. Very simple. आप देखिए understand कीजिए. So this vehicle has got a plan of 40,000 rupees.
Yes.
Against fuel expenditure, driver salary and repair. And we have actually posted 46,000 with 25, 14 and 7. So that means this vehicle has adverse 6,000 against 46, 6,000, which is 15% extra.
Okay.
उसमें मेन है आप व्हीकल में रिपेयर चार्जेस में ज्यादा. See, again, as 5,000 you have spent more, 2,000, which is 40%.
Yes, sir.
And salary में driver salary there is a saving here. 15,000 plan था, 14,000 है, there is a saving.
14,000. saving.
And my fuel में 20,000 plan था, 25,000, which is around 25% more. Simple. This why you see. Then what will do managing director? He will call the person concerned. Why you have spent more without my sanction? It's
Yes.
not. That's how they control. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is how you can create another order with another same thing. You can repeat it now. आप अभी पूछिए क्या पूछ रहे थे अपने?
Sir, account payable और purchase order same है ना sir?
नहीं, परचेज ऑर्डर नहीं, परचेज फंक्शन बोलो, परचेज ऑर्डर नहीं है.
Okay. नहीं जैसे हम
परचेज
हमको
ऑर्डर
material.
इज एन ऑर्डर ऑन द वेंडर टू बाय समथिंग.
Yes sir.
Accounts payable means what? Accounts payable means a vendor has supplied something. Okay. You have
Okay.
accounted his invoices, you must pay what is to be paid.
Okay.
Accounts payable deals with vendor accounting activity. पेमेंट करना है, डेबिट नोट करना है, क्रेडिट नोट देना है, रिपोर्ट दिखाना है. परचेज ऑर्डर इज ओनली वन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ अकाउंट पेएबल.
Okay.
परचेज ऑर्डर में क्या करते हो? आपने एक ऑर्डर देते हो, यू प्लीज सप्लाई दिस मटेरियल विद दिस वैल्यू और दिस रेट. समझा?
Yes.
दैट इज परचेज ऑर्डर. वो परचेज ऑर्डर हिसाब से वो सप्लाई करेगा. उसके बाद उसका अकाउंट मेंटेन करना पड़ता है. उसमें रिजेक्शन रहता है, उसमें शॉर्टेज रहता है, उसमें एडजस्टमेंट रहता है ना?
जी कर.
मान लो वो 50,000 रुपया माल आपका ऑर्डर हिसाब से सप्लाई किया, असूमिंग दैट नाउ, राइट? अभी अकाउंट्स पेएबल स्टार्ट्स नाउ. परचेज ऑर्डर हो गया, परचेज ऑर्डर हिसाब से उसने सप्लाई भी कर दिया.
ओके.
है ना? देन अभी उसका हिसाब रखना पड़ेगा. तो आउट ऑफ 15,000 समथिंग कैन बी रिजेक्टेड आल्सो, राइट?
Okay.
Because of quality problem or whatever problem. So let's say 5,000 rupees worth is rejected because of poor quality, right? So how much you are accounting? You are accounting out of 50 minus 5, 45 only you are accounting now.
Yes sir.
और 5,000 को आपने क्रेडिट नोट डेबिट नोट करके खत्म कर देते हो. That is one part. That means you have accounted his invoice fully, but you have adjusted through credit note, and now his payable is 45,000 now. समझे ना?
45,000. Yes.
Okay, that is 50,000 minus 5,000. उसके बाद उसको अभी पेमेंट करना है. नेक्स्ट अभी पेमेंट कैसे करते हो? अगेन इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट. वेदर मैनुअल पेमेंट करते हो, बैंक से करते हो, कैश के करते हो, ऑटोमेटिक पेमेंट, दैट्स ऑल योर प्रोसेस नाउ. ओके.
Yes sir.
और वेदर यू मे पे इंस्टॉलमेंट वाइज. So that's all. That's called account payable now. Right?
Yes sir.
So that is the question now. Okay?
Sir, how to maintain order to cash in SAP, sir?
That is called sales accounting.
Sales accounting.
Order to cash means first sale order create होता है. Sale order, देखो, there are two orders differently. One is purchase order. Purchase order is for supplier. That is called accounts payable side. समझे ना?
Okay.
Sale side is sale order. You are going to sell your product. समझा?
Okay.
Okay. So what do we do? Suppose some customer wants some item from your side.
Okay.
Say Sai garment or whatever, Sai tires, whatever is the one. He wants to buy it. So what we will do? Our company will first release a sale order. Remember. Sale order में क्या क्या दिखाता है? What is the product? How much quantity? What is the sale agreement? What is the sale price? Right? What is the tax? Those things. That's called sale order. समझे ना?
Okay.
जहाँ delivery करना है, right? All those things are the sale order condition.
Means sales delivery, right?
Sales related है.
Okay. तो order to cash cycle.
Activity देखो, there are two types. Order to cash is relating to sales. Purchase to pay is relating to purchase. P2P बोलते हैं. नाउ ऑर्डर टू सेल में अभी समझ लीजिए, सेल ऑर्डर हमने रिलीज कर दिया पहले, राइट?
Okay.
उसके बाद suppose we have to supply the material. If he agrees sale order, we have to supply the material, is it not? As per the sale order, हमने material भी supply कर दिया. When you supply the material, क्या पहले क्या करते हो? Invoice raise करना पड़ेगा, sales invoice.
Okay.
First sales invoice, right? So sales invoice में क्या करते हो? अपने entry होता है. So credit revenue sales, debit customer, FB70 हमने जो किया है, okay? उसके बाद क्या होता है? हाँ, बोलिए.
सर ये ना वो ऑर्डर टू कैश एंड P2P सर, ये आफ्टर एक कंट्रोलिंग फिनिश हो जाएगा तो एक बार मुझे बता दीजिएगा SAP में.
आप देखो, मैंने आप पीपीटी पहले पीपीटी नहीं देखा आपने. वन सेकेंड,
इसमें है, इसमें
क्लोज
PPT
करते
में
हैं,
है.
देखते हो, पढ़ते नहीं हो. सुनो, एक अभी क्लोज कर देते हैं हमने, राइट?
जी सर.
I'll take you to, don't worry, you can stop recording now. देखो एक पीपीटी हमने, that's why people do not read what I have already given now.